Model 2016 Ford Tourneo Custom Minibus 2.0 TDCI 310 titanium Euro 6 needs clutch ULEZ No Vat. Body silver minibus. Mileage 316,610. Engine 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PS. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts great. Runs great. Engine run perfect. The clutch slave cylinder in the gearbox is leaking fluids, so will need replacing. Straightforward clutch replacement job. Very clean, well-maintained, factory-fitted 9-seater high-spec minibus. Grin. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest minibus which has been well looked after. Features: parking sensors, start-stop, air-con, cruise control, electric windows, alloy wheels. Euro status: ULEZ compliant. HPI